If you need to reset your password for UMB Financial, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the UMB Financial website. Go to the official UMB Financial website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill in the required fields with your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. This is necessary for verification. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUB to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements outlined on the page, then confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your UMB Financial account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.